Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'll gonna show you how to download Kinemaster full version for free without any watermarks, without any advertisement, and it has all the features unlocked. So let's see how to download it. Okay, first of all, you need to open your browser, then type this. Uh, the don't worry about this. I will provide you the link in the description. Just check it out there and go directly to the site. This is the whole interface of the site, as you can see on the screen. Now just don't do anything, just move over here. You'll get a download button here. uh, Wait for the seconds what this say, and just press on the download APK button when it appears. Now he's saying to wait for 13 seconds, 12, and so just wait. uh, yeah, it's done. Now I'll show you the file. I have already downloaded that, so I'm not downloading it, but you have to press OK and then the download will start just like this. So it will download when the download gets completed. Just go to your file manager, phone storage, all files, downloads. So now you can see this file which we have downloaded just right now. So just press it, press the install button, and yes, it is done. Now let me show you that that this is not a fake one. Yeah, it's open. This is the modded Kinemaster, which have unlocked every single feature which is paid in the normal one. So this is it. Now let me show you that no watermark will come if you export this. So if we export this out, so make sure after the video press the like button and hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon for every single update about our videos. So now let me show you. There's no watermark in the video. Yeah, now you can see in the entire video there is no watermark which comes in the normal version. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Techno Basics, and also check it out our previous video.